So now in the last segment, like, we have to solve this middle edges. Okay, this one is not solved, everything is solved except this between middle edge. For that, there are two cases. The first one is, of course, with no side solves. This one is one side solved, like you can see. Okay, here it is not solved, it is here it is defect, here and it's not matching, here it is matching perfectly. So you take this, facing the yellow cube, yellow face upside, you perform the right yelk one times. Okay, then perform the left yelk one time, then perform the right yelk 5 times. Okay, then perform the left yelk 5 times. So I think I missed it. Perform. Okay, and again do it again. This is the second time, do it again. Okay, right yelk one time, left yelk one time, again right yelk 5 times. Two, three, four, and here it is solved. Okay, you can see solve. If it still doesn't solve, like, after second try, then give it a spin and then try this same left yelk right yelk one time, left yelk one time, right yelk 5 times, left yelk 5 times, and here you solve your first Rubik cube.